real vehicle you can actually get in and test. So let's do that now. What's your name again? Joffrey. I'm so sorry. I'm my cousin. So this is just regular fiberglass, not carbon fiber. There is one piece that is. Aaron, you gotta take your shoes off. So he's tall. You might as well get this over and see, does anybody fit in this thing? When you get in this thing, it wants to roll. Okay, so one of the team members can hold the tail fin a little bit, but when you get in, just make sure that when you step into it, that you're in it, and then you can go down. Or you find another way, but this is not strong enough to support your weight.
Yeah.
So it will move if you're not careful.
That was an amazing video you sent on where you just tapped it and it just kept on rolling.
Nobody has seen that. They have all these ideas about, rolling resistance and that. And now you heels together and toes out.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Apparently he does fit.
Just barely.
Okay, so now your steering handle is the one back, the two handles,
Yeah.
and the brake is on the left with your fingertips, and the parachute, which is not actually hooked up because I couldn't do something last night. And that's it. All four controls are in your hand at any one moment. You do not have time on some of these narrow roads when you're going, 60 mile an hour. I think I wrote about this. It's 88 feet per second. So when you're going fine, and then all of a sudden something happens and you're impacting something, you have fractions of a second. So you don't have time to reach for something. You need to already have all your controls. And that's one of the things that I figured out from other things.
Just wanted to sit up.
Did you want to put the top on it?
Yeah, let's see
Let's
it.
do that. Are you claustrophobic?
Nope.
Or at least we'll find out.
I sure hope not.
Is anybody on the team claustrophobic?
I hope Haley isn't. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah.
Okay, so if anybody in the team can fit in the car, you can put the lid on it.
We could just about get Aaron in there. So our driver is probably, 5'4", something like that.
Anybody that fits in the car,
it's
so
pretty
long
much,
as you
yeah.
guys,
I told you,
just-
Claire.
It'd be like that.
I'm
She
5'6"
fits.
and 3/4, but I say 5'7".
Okay,
Yeah.
5'7".
When I built this, I was about almost 5'10" and 135 pounds, and I was flopping around, and I'm like, okay, it's too big. But I plumped up a little bit. Okay, so he's already fogging up. I could tell you about that, but that's the reality. Is the way that I'm talking right now, I cannot drive the car. I talk, excited and all that. I can't just get in the car. So I have a video that I'm going to have transferred, and then I'll send it to you guys.